Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another Softflex Company monthly mystery design kit. This kit retails for $40.95 and it includes everything you need to make a few jewelry projects minus tools. And this picture here shows an idea of what you can get in a kit like this. And you can get this kit at www.softflexcompany.com. I will link the website down there below in the description bar. And on the back side of this card is a little monthly challenge that they offer, and in case you're interested in this, you can pause and read over. Alright, so let's move on. Now I'm also going to list down there below in the description bar, I'm going to list Softflex YouTube channel and their Facebook page, so you can go and check them out there. They do openings for this kit on their YouTube channel, and they also do tutorials. So let's go ahead and check this out. So the theme for this is called Beach Bonfire, and I think it was back in 2022 they did a camp out themed that I loved so much. It was really amazing. I'll put a picture up for that. And there was also another one that they did called Surfs Up, and it was in this color theme, the teal and the orange. So I'll put a picture for that because that was one of my favorite designs that I've ever done with the Softflex kit. Alright, so I do want to let you guys know that I actually got this kit late. And I've been feeling sick, not with a cold. I've actually been struggling with low blood pressure, and I have not been feeling well. I've been having to skip medicine because I've been so low as 90 being the top number over like 64. So it's been crazy. I've not been feeling well. So yeah, that's why I've been doing less videos, because I was posting a video every day for some time there. So let's see what this is going to be. Let's see. Let's check it out. Sometimes the colors in the packaging match the packaging, so. Yes, and it looks like they did that. Oh my gosh. That strand is amazing. I love that strand. Orange check glass rondelles. And I did get my tray this time. But my pliers are not here. They were here. They were on my desk, but I had to take them off because they're in a bowl. Okay, got the cutters. That's my fave. Look at that. It's Picasso, I think. Actually, it might not be. It might be something else. Those are gorgeous. I love those. I like this trend as well. I have gotten this before, but I think I usually get it in the dollar bead box. I've used it several times. It's a huge strand. Turquoise Picasso, square beads. Okay, and then we have findings here. Those are cool looking. Kind of looks like a shell. Okay, we got crimp tubes, wire, beautiful color, my favorite color. It's called turquoise color. And those look like check fire polish beads. I can't tell if they're Montana blue, I want to say they are, or smoky gray. We got Lucerna bicones, which I am currently using this for a beaded ring tutorial. I have not been able to film it yet. I still have a little bit more work to do with it, but those are amazing. And I was trying to find some in my stash, but I didn't feel well, and so I didn't have the energy to do it. But maybe I can use those. I don't know. I'll see what else we have in here. I might use those for my ring. Okay, so here is the little jar that we get, and I will go through that there when the time arrives at the end of the video, because there's so much. Okay, to the list right here. Soft Flex Green Turquoise .019 medium beading wire. There's some stuff out of my way. So that's this right here, and it's beautiful turquoise color. I have only received this, I think, one time. Okay, and then it's Soft Flex 2x2mm black oxidized crimp tubes, and that's these here. I have actually rarely received this one. I usually get the silver, gold. I get those the most. I do feel like, though, my favorite one is the sterling silver one. I actually prefer it over the gold filled. I just like it. I've also got this in copper. But I love their sterling silver crimps because of how they behave when I fold them. I feel like the gold ones, for some reason, they don't fold well for me. I end up cracking them. But maybe that's just me, I don't know. 12mm gunmetal plated lobster claw clasp. So that is in this baggie here. Okay. There's the clasp. So I'll put that in the tray. And then Jesse James Custom Bead Mix. That's the jar. We'll do that last because there's so much to go through. Antique Silver Sea Snail Pendant. Is it talking about these? Because there's 3 of these, but they're so small that I would not say they're pendants. I would say they're charms. And it says pendant like it's one. Let me read on. 10mm dark turquoise travertine squares. That's this. 9x6mm check glass opalescent orange travertine faceted rondelles. 6mm check glass orange Lucerna bicones. That's this. 6mm check glass turquoise Lucerna bicones. That is this. Transparent yeah, that's the teardrops. So it must be these. They're calling this a pendant. It's really cute. Antique Silver Sea Snail Pendant. I was wondering if it was going to be Terracast. I like them. Okay, and then I don't have a knife for the jar, but 10mm dark turquoise travertine square, so I'll do this one. So yeah, I have received these before a few times, but in another subscription box. And what I have done with them, a project that I loved, was a what the heck's it called? A lariat. It was pretty cool. It was turquoise and peridot green. I'll put a picture up for it. And I swear I've used this for other projects, but a lot of time has gone by, so I don't totally remember them. Okay, and then this one, I believe. Yeah, this is 9x6mm. I don't think I've ever received this size in a rondelle. I usually get them in smaller sizes. So it doesn't say what's on it. I want to say it's Picasso, but it's not heavily covered. Now that I've cut it off, you can see it on the sides better. They're beautiful. So Beach Bonfire, that's going to be our fire, I guess. Okay, and then 6mm check glass orange Lucerna bicone. These here. The little ring I'm making is so cute. And it doesn't use a lot of materials. Okay, and then this is the next one. 6mm check glass turquoise Lucerne bicone. This is a very green turquoise. Usually when I get the turquoise it is bluer. But this one's really green. Okay, to the jar. I do have those teardrops left there, actually at the bottom of the list though. And where was the ear wires? Did I skip over those? I did. They were below the lobster claw, so these are the gunmetal ear wires. Okay, I'll do this here. Fast forward. Okay. So this is at the bottom of the list, but I will just go to it now because I usually sort through the jar at the bottom of the list. But I was right. These are transparent Montana faceted teardrops. They are huge. I've never seen them this big, actually. So it doesn't say what the size is. I would have to measure them. But I've never seen them that big. They are beautiful. It's probably a bad place to put them. I'll put them over there. Okay. So we have these here. These are like crocheted, I believe. I mean, I don't know how you would do it with knitting, but maybe it's possible. Okay. Those are neat. And then, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. So this bead here is special. This is a Chinese crystal bead, right? But usually when we see this, it's shiny all over. This one is matted on some of the facets, so it really makes the design pop and stand out. It's a little extra. It's gorgeous. They are huge. Very beautiful. Okay. And then these here. Is this acrylic? I think these are acrylic. These are very beautiful. I got all of them right. Yeah. So it's marbled. There's white in it. There's blue in it. Green. It's turquoise, of course. I actually collect acrylic beads like this. They're very gorgeous. So pretty. Okay. And then we have Chinese crystal. There's orange rondelles in here. Those are pretty. AB on them. I think it's the 5x6mm size. Okay. And then there's teardrops. I like these a lot. I do wish there was 2 more though. If I had 6, I could weave with them. These are, I think it's halite, or is it magnesite, something like that. Turquoise drops. I'm guessing it might be 8x12mm. I wish there was 2 more though, just 2 more. Okay, there's mother of pearl coin shell beads here. I actually have a lot of shell beads in my stash. I have a container or 2. I think it's 2 containers just for shell beads. A lot of them are dyed. Those are pretty. My favorite ones are the ones that are natural colored, like these here. They're natural, right? They're not dyed. They're very pretty. Okay. And then they gave us caps, and I like that they did antique bronze. I think it's been a while since they've done antique bronze. We do silver a lot, gold. And they gave me a nice amount. There's 5. Is there 8? I think I'm having an odd number. There's a bunch of them. Those are nice. Okay, maybe I did a bad job at filling the compartments. Okay. These are huge Chinese crystal bicones. I think they're 8mm. Their holes are enormous, and the holes are actually rounded so they won't cut your thread. And there's 6 of those. See, if they gave me 6 of these teardrops here, I could have weaved with them. I could have totally have made a pendant. Medallion or mandala style pendant. That's what I would have liked to have done. And then we have Chinese crystal cubes. And this one is actually clear. Can you tell that it's clear in the middle? And then when you turn it, it's orange. So there's a coating on that. Yeah, those are pretty though. I do love that fiery orange. It's like the sunset or something. It's gorgeous. Okay, and then these little guys here, these are cute. Little spacer beads. Alright, so this is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little opening here. I did get this late, so it will take me some time to get a tutorial up for it. But I would like to use these for my little ring that I have not filmed a tutorial on yet. But I am using 3mm fire polish beads in order to make it, and I don't have that here, so I'd probably have to use something from my stash if I do use those in the ring video. But this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Again, I will link this subscription down there below in the description bar. Sometimes it's still available, sometimes it's not. You all just have to check and see. But thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.